It's showtime.
Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice!
Hey loves, it's me, Elizabeth Lauren, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the Handbook for the Recently Deceased eyeshadow palette, which is a Beetlejuice inspired palette, and oh my gosh, I am in love. Like, if y'all know me, you know I love Beetlejuice. It was one of my favorite movies as a kid, and it's just so cute. Like, the fact that they made the book from the movie into an eyeshadow palette is amazing. The eyeshadow names are so cute, and the packaging alone is so stunning. Like, look at this. It's an actual book. Like, you could put this on your shelf just like this. And the side looks like this. And then on the inside, you get a very pretty mirror. This mirror is actually really good quality, but it's a little dirty. Sorry about that. You get shades that are shaped like a coffin and are very colorful. You have like a cemetery scene. You have beetles running around on the palettes, and it just looks so pretty. Like, I love this. I love the detail that they put into this palette. I think it's very cool. And if you're someone who likes Beetlejuice, then you're gonna love this palette because it literally is like a prop from the movie. It's so cute. But I also love this palette because of the colors. Like, I think the shades are very pretty and very unique looking. Like, this Bio Exorcist shade is like a bluish green, and I'm in love with it. The shrunken head is so pretty, and I don't know, I just love all of these shades. I think they're so cool. So yeah, if you would like to hear my thoughts on this palette as well as see this beautiful makeup look that I did, then just keep watching. I tried to be cute and put on, you know, cat ears, but honestly, like, my hair just looks a mess right now. But yeah, so right now I just have foundation, my brows on, and a little bit of concealer to act as a base for the eyeshadow. And yeah, so let's get into the tutorial. I am in love with this palette. Like, I think it is so pretty and the concept is so cool. I love that this is actually the book from Beetlejuice. Like, how awesome is that? And you could even put it on your shelf like this if you wanted to. Like, it's so cool. I love the details and the artwork on the inside. I think it's very pretty. I love all the colorful shades, and that they're shaped like coffins. Like, that just adds like a cute little touch to this palette. The mirror is very good quality, and it just has the Beetlejuice black and white stripes along the inside as well as the side of the palette to kind of mimic his outfit. So I just think that's so cute. So I'm going to be taking the shade right here called Beetle, guys. It's this very pretty lime green, and I'm just going to be using my Morphe crease brush. I use this in almost every single video, so yeah, I love Morphe brushes. And I'm just taking a little at a time and placing this where my crease is and blending it out. It's a little sheer when you first apply it, but it is very buildable, as you can see. Like, it's just getting more and more pigmented as I add color, and it's blending out really easily. Honestly, I'm a little shook because I've never used any Hot Topic makeup, and this is already blending out so nicely. It's very pretty, and it's actually really pigmented. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Bio Exorcist, and it's a very pretty bluish green shade. And I wanted to do like a green and purple look, but I'm adding this color just to darken up the green a little bit because it has like a bluish green, almost teal effect So I think it'll look really pretty with this green. And right away it's actually very pigmented as well. It's blending out smoothly and it looks really pretty with this green. So far so good. Now I'm going to go back in with the Beetlejuice shade and blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with this black shade called Strange and Unusual. And I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my eye using a small crease Morphe brush. Look at my hair, it's just being crazy right now. Like, I was just trying to be cute and my bangs are just annoying me. So this black so far is very sheer, I will say that. Which in this case it's kind of good because I personally don't like dark black shades, because whenever I add a dark color and it's like super pigmented, I normally mess up my eyeshadow look anyway. So I'm trying to be careful and be really light-handed with this. But I can understand if you want a more pigmented shade, because after all it is Strange and Unusual, and when you think of Beetlejuice, you think of black and green and white and purple. So yeah, I mean, it is building up. You can see it now. It's just when you first apply it, you are gonna have to add some layers to it because it's not gonna show up when you just do that. Like, it's just very sheer. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Just adding this black shade in the crease to kind of darken up the green a little bit more. Now I'm just taking my Morphe brush again and kind of blending those two shades together so that the green is still noticeable and that the black is blended out a lot better. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory, as well as my little BH Cosmetics flat brush that I use for carving out my eye as well as doing my brows. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer onto my lid and carve my eye. And I'm going to be doing a half cut crease because I'm really bad at doing a full cut crease. So yeah, I'm just going to do a half one today. And what I like to do is just tap the product and go up with it slowly, because if you try to just swipe, it's going to not really disperse the concealer where you want it. It's going to pick up the concealer more than like spread it around. And I just slowly add a little bit more concealer as I go if I need it, but right now I don't. And I just tap the concealer up to my crease. So now that we are done concealing, I'm going to take this shade called Juno, and it's a very nude and sheer shade, and I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush. It's just a little small Morphe packing brush. I haven't sat down to film a makeup video in so long that it's just like very new for me. It's like, I don't know, and plus I'm filming with my new camera, so it's kind of making me nervous because I don't want anything to be blurry and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so what I can say about the shadow so far is it is showing up, but it is very sheer. It's not as golden and nude looking as I was expecting, because this shade has like a lot of gold reflex in it, but it's like a nude sheer shade. So I think this would be more of a inner corner shadow, because I don't know, it's not looking as smooth as it does in the pan, but it is still very pretty. I don't know, it's not as smooth as I thought it was going to be. It like feels smooth, it doesn't feel chunky, but on the lid it looks a little weird, at least on this side. And I don't know if it's because it's catching or grabbing to my concealer, or if it's just the eyeshadow itself. So I'm not really sure how to feel about that shade, but I'm just gonna take my crease brush again and I'm gonna blend all of this out. Oh. Now I'm going in with the shade Dark Room on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using this little flat Ulta brush, and I'm going to just take the purple and go underneath my lower lash line. My hair is literally bothering me so much. Like every time my bangs move, I'm just like... So my camera wasn't recording, but luckily I caught it in time. But yeah, so far I'm really loving this Dark Room shade. It's actually very pigmented, like really pigmented. I was actually really surprised. And Hot Topic, you are doing amazing, sweetie. Like, yes, this is so pretty. Oh my god. So I'm going to take the same little packing brush that I used before, and I'm going to take some more of that Dark Room shade and kind of smoke it out a little bit. So now I'm going to do my inner corner, and I'm just taking a little bullet brush from Morphe as well. And I'm going to take the shade Afterlife, which is this very pretty shimmery white shade. And it's just like a really pretty white shimmery shade, and we're going to see if it's as pigmented as it looks. So I'm going to add this in my inner corner. And right away, hello, that's highlighted. That is very pigmented, very bright, and very pretty. Oh my gosh, who knew I could get a palette for like $16 and it would look this good? Wow, that is very pretty. Wow, that is very pretty. Oh my gosh, and it shows up so well. I'm going to take that same Afterlife shade and the same small packing brush and apply this on my brow bone. Okay, so I'm just going to add some mascara and eyeliner and finish the look off camera, and I will be right back. Alright loves, and this is the completed Beetlejuice inspired look. I really hope y'all like it because it was honestly super easy to do and very pretty. And the shade just blended out really good. Like, I was surprised at the blendability, the pigmentation. I honestly really love this palette, and not all of the shades are like 100% pigmented, but they are very buildable and very pretty. They blend out very well, and I was really surprised at this look. Like, I love this green with this like bluish color, and the purple, like, I love this. It's so pretty. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all would like to see more makeup reviews from me, then comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. It would seriously make my day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves!